Welcome to the Holistic Equine Academy of Lymphedema. I'm Teresa Mueller, and today is Tuesday, Personal Development Day, February 7th, 2023. Today's topic for me is addressing my emotion over logic. When my emotions take over, you can forget logic. I don't care how logical it is, it's not going to fly for me. I'll give you an example. Eating. I'm a stress eater. So when I get emotionally stressed, the first thing I do is go to the carbs. And I know, should I do it? Absolutely not. Do I know it's bad for me? Yep. Do I do it anyway? Yes. But not as much anymore. What I have learned for myself is to be more mindful of about how I talk to myself and how I care for myself. And the experts say this is work in progress for, I believe, for the rest of our lives. When you get to one level, you're going to move to the next, to the next, to the next. So be kind to yourself. And one of the things that I have, what I really love about the introduction to connective tissue, is that a lot of people come very emotionally charged onto the calls, onto the webinars, because they're dealing with a lot of emotional issues, financial issues, they're frustrated. And what this actually does, it gives them some understanding of what's happening, what's logical, and what can be done. So sign yourself up for the introduction to the connective tissue and the equine lymph system webinar and go to www.healequine.com, and remember, put a ding in your universe for 2023 and believe in the possible.